Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your watch. First, gently unbox your new timepiece and remove any protective films. Next, identify the crown, which is the small, often ridged knob typically found on the right side of the watch case. Carefully pull this crown out to its first or second click position, depending on your watch model, to prepare for time adjustment. Now let's set the time. With the crown pulled out, rotate it either clockwise or counterclockwise to advance or rewind the hour and minute hands. Align the hands precisely with a reliable time source, such as your phone or a radio clock. Once the correct time is displayed, firmly push the crown back into its original, fully closed position. This action will engage the movement and start your watch ticking. For watches with a date or day display, you'll need to adjust these as well. Gently pull the crown out to its first click position. This is usually for date and day adjustments. Rotate the crown to cycle through the dates and days until the correct ones are shown. A helpful tip: avoid adjusting the date between 9 p.m. and 3 a.m., as this can sometimes interfere with the watch's internal date change mechanism. Finally, perform a few quick checks. Confirm that the crown is completely pushed in to ensure any water resistance features are active. Observe the second hand for about 30 seconds to verify the watch is running consistently. For ongoing care, wipe your watch case and crystal with a soft, lint-free cloth regularly to keep it looking its best. Enjoy your perfectly set timepiece.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.